Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Hub. Are you ready for another fun English conversation? I hope you're smiling because today's lesson is full of laughter, amazing animals, and useful English. Imagine you're walking through a beautiful zoo with your best friend. You see giant elephants, tall giraffes, playful monkeys, and powerful lions. What would you say? Today, you're going to learn exactly that. So, take a deep breath, smile, and let's enjoy this exciting adventure together. The most amazing animals. Are you having fun? I hope you're smiling because Emma and David are about to meet even more incredible animals. Remember, learning English doesn't have to be boring. Smile, laugh, repeat the sentences, and enjoy the conversation. The happier you are, the easier English becomes. Are you ready? Let's continue our zoo adventure.
David, look over there.
Wow. Is that a zebra?
Yes, look at its beautiful black and white stripes.
I've always wondered.
Wondered what?
Is it a white animal with black stripes? Or a black animal with white stripes?
That's a difficult question.
Maybe the zebra knows the answer.
Then let's ask it.
Excuse me, Mr. Zebra.
David!
Why isn't he answering?
Maybe he only speaks zebra language.
Oh no, I forgot to study zebra English.
You're impossible.
Thank you. I take that as a compliment.
Look, those parrots are flying together.
Their colors are incredible.
Red, blue, yellow, and green. They're like a rainbow with wings.
If I wore clothes like that, everyone would look at me.
They already do sometimes.
Really?
Just kidding.
You almost fooled me.
Look over there. The panda is eating bamboo.
It looks so peaceful.
I could watch pandas all day.
Me too. They're so adorable.
Ah, it's holding the bamboo with both hands.
That's the cuttest thing I've seen today.
Wait, the penguins are walking?
Oh my God. Look at them.
They walk like tiny gentlemen.
Or like me when I wake up early in the morning.
That's exactly how you walk.
Hey, I thought we were friends.
We are. That's why I can tease you.
Fair enough.
You know what I love about animals?
What?
Every animal is different and everyone is beautiful in its own way.
I couldn't agree more.
Nature is truly wonderful, and today has been full of smiles and happy memories.
The adventure isn't over yet.
Great. I can't wait to see what happens next.
Let's keep exploring.
Every living creature has a special place in our world. So, enjoy this final conversation, repeat the expressions, and keep learning English with a happy heart.
Emma, let's finish our adventure.
Oh, David. I can't believe our zoo trip is almost over.
I know, time goes so fast when you're having fun.
We saw so many amazing animals today.
Yes, the elephant, giraffe, monkeys, lions, and all the others.
Which animal was your favorite?
That's a difficult question.
Why, David?
Because every animal was special.
That's a beautiful answer.
But if I had to choose, I would say the elephant.
Really? Why?
Because it's big, intelligent, and gentle. It looks powerful but has a kind heart.
I like that. My favorite was the giraffe.
I knew it. You like the tallest animal.
Of course. Maybe I like it because I want to be taller. Don't worry. I am already tall enough.
Look at the birds flying above us.
They're beautiful.
They remind me that nature is full of surprises.
You're right. We should protect these animals.
Absolutely, animals need our care and respect. They give us happiness and teach us many things.
Yes. They teach us patience, teamwork, and how to live peacefully. Today wasn't just a trip to the zoo.
You're right. It was a wonderful experience.
I'm so happy we came here together.
Me too. Thank you for sharing this adventure with me. Thank you for making me laugh all day.
My job is to make people smile.
Then you did a great job.
Thank you. I will accept this award.
What award?
The Best Zoo Friend of the Day award.
Ooh, congratulations.
Thank you, thank you. I would like to thank the elephants, the monkeys, and especially the snacks.
Oh, you always think about food.
Animals make me hungry. Maybe I need elephant energy.
Let's go get some food before you start eating like a lion.
Great idea.
Goodbye, animals. Thank you for an amazing day.
See you next time.
Great job, everyone. Today, we learned how to talk about animals, describe them, and share your opinions in English. Remember, learning English is an adventure. Enjoy every step. Have a wonderful time. Goodbye.